This one is mean, it's aggressive, it's black, it's got a satin matte finish on it. Our badge, LP6 is on the grill, LP6 is on the rack. Van Compass's new hidden winch mount, which is super clean, really well engineered. I love working with all of their products. Warn shackles, Warn winch, some Terrawagon bits here and there. Really nice new tire from BF Goodrich. BF Goodrich is sort of doing away with the KO2 and they've transitioned to the KO3. And I like the KO3's new sort of redesigned tread pattern. There's a little bit more siping. There's a slightly more aggressive sidewall. I think it's gonna be better in the snow, better in variable terrain. So I'm excited to try it out. I've got it on one of our new projects here in the shop. You may have heard me talking a little about the Ineos Grenadier. Stay tuned for more info on that. That's coming up next.